Outside of China, several countries are reporting cases of the disease, including Thailand, Japan, the United States, Taiwan, Australia, France, Canada, and Germany.
Holding signs reading "Corrupt, we're fed up." Thousands of Israelis protested in Tel Aviv and Jerusalem against what they see as a bungled government response to the coronavirus crisis.
We do move on now to the staggering new numbers in the coronavirus pandemic. More than 14 million cases worldwide, a 40% increase in less than 3 weeks. The U.S. now reporting nearly 140,000 lives lost. Hard-hit Florida with more than 10,000 new cases, adding to the strain on hospitals.
31 artists, 201 Grammy nominations, 69 Grammy wins, all with one message: hope.
After the rain, there'll be enough sunshine. I guarantee there'll be another sunshine.
With artists including Bernard Jackson of Surface, Butch Tavares from Tavares, Ron Cat Spearman of George Clinton and the Parliament Funkadelic, Larry Blackman of Cameo, Felton C. Pilati of Confunction, Gladys Knight, Brian McKnight, Keith Sweat, Shaka Khan, Patti LaBelle, Al Green, Philip Bailey of Earth, Wind and Fire, Mark Wood, and introducing Abby Laurel. Also starring Pat Benatar, Cyndi Lauper, Tommy Lee of Motley Crue on drums, Eddie Van Halen / from Guns N' Roses on guitar, Dave Mason from Traffic, Joe Walsh from the Eagles, Stephen Horst, Jacob Hook, special guest world-class harpist Aaron Hill, including rappers Sticky Fingers from Onyx.
If you always do what you always did, then you always get what you always got.
Nas, KRS-One, Tretch from Naughty by Nature, Lazy Bones from Bone Thugs and Harmony, Harvey Shahel, and special guest, Jay-Z. Don't miss the song event of the year, After the Rain, produced and mixed by Billboard and BMI Songwriter of the Year and multi-platinum producer Louis Martinet and multi-platinum producer Mario Gill, also mixed by Music Cat. Proceeds to buy PPE equipment for frontline workers and first responders. After the Rain.